Hey, it's about 9 o'clock, and U.S. earnings continue to disappoint and give people the impetus to challenge global growth assumptions. So, as we've seen Goldman, we've seen Johnson& Johnson, we've seen IBM and Texas Instruments after the bell yesterday deliver weaker numbers. These are all guys that typically have been the ones you can count on to outperform. But the real outperformer last night was China, up almost 2.2%, and a bit of a counter indicator if you ask me. I don't know that we have the turnaround and the full-on new stimulus plan in China. Property price curbs taken away, a weaker CPI number certainly given a lot of the rationale for some of the market's enthusiasm over the last couple of days. But oil actually given up what started to be a decent rally this morning. Dollar has strengthened, euro has weakened. So some of these trends that have been tracking over the last 10 days and been extraordinary moves, especially if you look at the move in gold versus the euro. These things have taken a small breath today. But I think you've definitely got the backdrop for what we continue to see as an opportunity in a few of the resource names, especially some of the metals, some of the miners, where valuations are far from extraordinary. In fact, in many places look like they're extremely cheap. So those are that's the beacon of opportunity here in the middle of what seems to be a very depressed market. The macro numbers out of the States this morning on new housing starts were terrible, although I think you need to remember that the more houses that are built, the more inventory that puts up there, which puts more downward pressure on housing prices. So actually maybe good news in a bad number. But that's it from here. Let's continue to watch the rest of the earnings out of the EM side. American Mobile, some of the other big bellwethers coming through, and actually the numbers look pretty good, not surprisingly. The global growth story intact. Thanks.